The digital marketing landscape is competitive, requiring innovative solutions to gain a competitive edge. The Ambassador Program offers just that. A comprehensive package that caters to your affiliate marketing needs. The program's components are strategically designed for maximum benefit. First, the Evergreen webinar funnel is a proven tool for converting prospects into buyers. Coupled with the opt-in page, this can significantly boost your leads and sales. The Ambassador Program also comes with a free report, custom branded with your affiliate link. Each time a subscriber purchases via the webinar through your link, you receive a commission. Moreover, the program enables you to recruit other affiliates via a JV page, with you earning 50% commission on the generated profits. This lucrative opportunity could lead to substantial earnings. To facilitate your success, the program includes a 9-part email sequence and a detailed video training series. In addition, the Traffic Trifecta module provides strategies to attract high-quality traffic to your funnels, bolstered by guest blog posting opportunities. Lastly, a 99-day follow-up email sequence and second-tier commissions maximize your earning potential. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link below to register for the Ambassador Program.